Hello students, I hope you have done the work which was given you yesterday and the topic was numbers, or you can say singular and plural. So today it's time to do the book work. So let's start with what is singular and what is plural. A naming word that stands for one person, place or thing is in the singular number. हेयर कोई भी व्यक्ति हो, कोई भी जगह हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो जिसकी गिनती सिर्फ एक हो, कितनी हो, जिसकी काउंटिंग सिर्फ वन हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सिंगुलर नंबर. A naming word that stands for more than one person, place or thing is in the plural number. और जो कोई भी व्यक्ति, जगह या कोई चीज़ जिसकी गिनती एक से ज़्यादा हो इज़ मोर देन वन, देन इट इज़ इन प्लूरल नंबर. अगर हम आसान भाषा में बोलें, इफ़ वी सी इन ईजी लैंग्वेज, देन सिंगुलर नंबर मीन्स वन एंड प्लूरल नंबर मीन्स मोर देन वन. So now let's move on to the exercise. As always, first of all you have to mention the date. So first exercise we have circle the singular naming word and underline the plural naming words. So in this exercise what we have to do, the singular naming word we have to circle and plural naming word we have to underline. कोई भी चीज़ जो सिंगुलर है वो वन है तो उसको हमें सर्कल करना है, और कोई भी चीज़ अगर प्लूरल है और वन से ज़्यादा है तो उसे हमें अंडरलाइन करना है. एज फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आई डू फॉर यू, देयर आर मैनी एप्पल्स ऑन द ट्री. सो आई फाइंड ट्री अ सिंगुलर, क्योंकि एक ही ट्री की बात की गई है, तो आई हैव सर्कल दैट. And then apples I have found plural naming word, so I have underlined that. Accordingly you have to do all the other exercise. And now we will move to the B exercise. So B exercise, write the plural form of these naming words. हमें ये सारे सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं और इनका हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म राइट करना है. As I have written for you, potato, potatoes, boat, boats. So other all you have to do as the same: torch, torches, thief, thieves, box, boxes, shelf, shelves, photo, photos, deer, deer. So accordingly these you have to fill out. And now let's move to the C exercise. Circle the plural form of the words in the bracket. Here we are given the words in the bracket as pencil, wolves, fish. So what we have to do, we have to change this singular form into the plural form. As in the B exercise we could see we were given only the words, but in the C exercise we are given the sentences. So you have to pick out the words given in the bracket and change them into the plural form. So first I'll see, I have to dash, in the bracket we are given the pencil. अब टू हमारे पास मोर देन वन है तो वी विल राइट पेंसिल्स एज आई हैव रिटन. एंड अदर ऑल द sentences you have to do the same. I hope you must have understood the topic singular and the plural. Do this exercise. I'll send you the answers too. Thank you.